Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a powerful tool that can help you save time and get better results online. Make sure you watch this video.
Welcome to OneManArmy. OneManArmy is built so you finally have your own AI army that builds, runs, and grows your operations without you being the one doing everything. Before I show you the dashboard, I want you to see why this matters. These three bots, Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes, are some of the most powerful AI agents on the planet right now. This is OpenRouter's app and agent rankings page. And you can see here, Hermes and OpenClaw are sitting right at the top of the global rankings. These are not random little AI tools. These are some of the most used AI agents in the world right now. But the catch? Setting them up yourself is brutal. Docker, API keys, server configuration, keeping them online when your laptop is shut. Most people give up before they get a single bot deployed. That's why we built OneManArmy. You deploy these world-class agents in minutes. No servers to configure, no software to install, no API wallets to fund. We include the AI access for you. Let me show you. First, Paperclip. I will deploy it right now. This takes about a minute. So let's click on create your first bot and let's choose Paperclip and then let's give it a company name. For this demo, I'm going to use Paperclip for something very practical. So let's just say that we are going to create this Paperclip to sell Paperclip installation services to local businesses. So let's just call this, and the company mission will be selling Paperclip to local businesses. Then we can choose the AI model that will power your Paperclip. Now, the biggest friction with these bots normally is the AI access. You'd be paying an outside provider, loading a wallet, managing keys, watching your credit drain. So we killed that. Your access is included from day one. So your bots just works with this complimentary access. So let's choose complimentary access and let's accept the use policy and let's just go ahead and click on create instance. While it's spinning up, here is what Paperclip actually is. Think of it as your AI company. So there's a CEO at the top. You give the CEO a business goal and the CEO breaks that goals into roles, figures out what AI employees you need to hire and ask your approval before any of them go to work. So you stay in command and the bot executes. So this is the planning brain of your operation, not chatting with you, building the structure around your goal. So our Paperclip is now ready to use. So the first step is to actually get it set up by signing up. So let's just click on invite URL. And once that is done, let's just refresh this and we are inside the Paperclip dashboard. So this is the dashboard. It is clean, it is simple, and I will show you around how all of this works. So first, let's go ahead and give our Paperclip a goal. As we decided, this will be a Paperclip to sell the Paperclip installation service to local businesses. So let's just click on add goal and let's just say sell Paperclip to local businesses. And in the description, we will say our goal is to find potential local businesses and help them run automation via Paperclip and charge them a monthly fee for doing it. We take care of the setup and API keys, etc. Clients can have this up and running within 24 hours. So let's click on create goal. And now this goal is set in our Paperclip. So all the employees that will do the work will work around this goal. So let's go ahead and go to dashboard. And now let's give our first task to the CEO. So basically your company has a organization and right now we only have one employee, which is CEO. So what we are going to do is we are going to ask the CEO to hire some employees to help with our goal. So let's click on new issue and let's give it a task. So the first task we are going to say is hire 3 employees as per our goal. And in the description, we are going to say, I want to create a small AI automation agency that sells paperclip setup and AI employee systems to local businesses. Create a company structure for this agency, hire 3 AI employees I should hire, define their roles, and help me find the first type of clients I should target. So let's assign this to CEO and it will start working. And here you can see the CEO has started working. Now it is going to figure out what we need here and then it is going to plan everything for us. And you can see here the CEO has created 3 employees for us to check. So these are sales agent, solutions engineer, and account manager. So if we go to inbox here, we can see these 3 agents and now we can approve the hire. So let's go ahead and click on approve. And that's it. So we have these agents working for us. So if we go to our organization chart right now, so we have a CEO and then there are 3 employees reporting to it. And these agents have everything they need to actually start working for us. So if we go to sales agent and read its instructions, you'll be able to see what it can do. So we can give it a task and it will actually work around the goal that we have set. I also want to show you a really cool feature that we have built inside OneManArmy dashboard. So let's go back to OneManArmy dashboard here. And here we have this feature called Hire AI Agents. So this feature is specifically for Paperclip. And what you can do from here is you can actually instantly deploy AI employees to your paperclip. So these are ready-made employees that have all the instructions in it that can do its job properly. So we have all these employees here, you can see. So there is a chief marketing officer, chief technology officer, sales lead, and so on. And we also have API specialists. So you can actually extend your paperclips functionality by giving it additional tools such as email or ability to create images or ability to create videos from replicate. So these use third-party APIs to do this for you, and it can even do social media scheduling and posting for you. So let me just deploy a image specialist. So it gives image creation ability to our paperclip project and it will work through replicate. So we need to provide a replicate API key for it to work. So let me just go ahead and click on deploy. And it is going to ask us which paperclip to install this on. So it's already selected. Let's click continue. And now it's going to ask us to approve this hire from paperclip. So let's click on approve and let's get back. Now it needs a replicate token, which is API key. So let's just give that. So I already have a API key created for replicate. You don't need to do this if you don't want the image creation ability for your paperclip. So let's just click on continue. And that's it. So it has deployed this image specialist into our paperclip. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here you can see now we have image specialist and we can actually assign a task to it. So let's just say that's just a simple task to see how it works. So we are asking it to create a image with beach and sand. So let's see how it's working right now. So let's go to dashboard here and let's click on this issue. And here now we can see it's thinking shortly how it's going to create this image for us. So it is going to use the replicate API and usually it costs about 1 cent to create one image. You will need to fund your replicate account if you want it to create images or videos, but these are extremely cheap and they are one-time price. So here you can see that it's already working. So I can see the image already. It's still working, but I can see the image here already. And we can just click on it and view the image that it has created. This is the image that it has created for us. So it took us about 10 to 15 seconds to deploy this into our paperclip, and now it has the functionality to create images for us. I also want to show you how we are using paperclip in another way. So we also have another Paperclip setup here, which is actually a SEO agency. And here I want to show you the org chart that we have for this. So here you can see that we have multiple employees working here, and this is a SEO bureau, so it actually does a lot of SEO stuff, and it can do audits for your clients. It can create comprehensive reports for SEO. It can do SEO writing for clients and so on. So you can set up Paperclip pretty much however you want, and then all the employees will work towards one goal and they will report to CEO. And that's the power of Paperclip. So for anyone selling services, running an agency, doing affiliate campaigns, building products, or managing client work, Paperclip becomes the planning layer. It helps you structure the work, it helps you break down the goal, and it helps you build the AI team around that goal. And before you ask, yes, the commercial license is included. Use this for your own business or spin up Paperclip setups for clients and charge them for it. People are doing exactly this on Fiverr and Upwork right now for $500 to $2,500 per setup. Now let's move to the second bot. Now let's deploy OpenClaw. This is the doer of the team. If Paperclip is the planner, OpenClaw is the field operator, the one that goes out and actually does the work. So let's click on create another bot and let's choose OpenClaw. And we are going to create with complementary AI access, and let's just click on create instance. So OpenClaw is really powerful and it can do a lot of stuff, and you can also hook it up with your Telegram or Slack or Discord. So you can actually manage OpenClaw from your phone, and you can see it's already done. So let's just look at what we have here. So you can connect your OpenClaw to your Paperclip if you want, or you can also connect your Telegram, Slack, and Discord from here. So let's click on Open Dashboard, and we are inside our OpenClaw right now. So there are a ton of things you can do here, but let's just do a simple thing for now. So we're going to say research 5 local business niches that could benefit from AI automation services. For each niche, explain the pain point, what kind of AI service we could offer, and why they may pay for it. Then create a simple report I can use for planning. Show me the report here so I can read it. Let's send that. And now it's going to do this research for us and get back to us. So let's wait for that. And you can see here it has actually done a comprehensive work, and we can actually ask it to go deeper and do more research for a specific thing. Another really cool thing you can do with OpenClaw is that you can ask it to find clients for you. It will actually do a really good job. So let's just say find 2 dentists from New York that need help with AI automation along with their phone or website URL. And now let's see what it comes up with. And you can see it pretty much instantly gave us these 2. And we can go ahead and actually look at them and see what they do. So we can actually contact them with our Paperclip or OpenClaw or Hermes installation service. You can also install some specific skills in OpenClaw for finding the best leads, and we already have a training for this as well. And there are a bunch of other things that you could do with OpenClaw. So that's OpenClaw for you. So let's go back to our dashboard now. And now the third one, Hermes. So let's click on create another bot. And let's choose Hermes, and let's just accept and click on create. Now, while this is setting up, let me tell you why Hermes is one that quietly becomes your unfair advantage. So Hermes is your AI intelligence specialist, the memory layer. Every other AI tool you have used, ChatGPT, Claude, all of them starts every conversation from zero. You're explaining your business every Monday. Hermes doesn't. Hermes writes to its own memory after every task. It learns your business as you use it. Your clients, your offers, your brand voice, your campaign history. Here's the line I want you to sit with for a second. Starting Hermes today versus starting Hermes 6 months from now is an unfair advantage that compounds quietly. every task you give it makes the next task better. Every client you load into it stays in there. 6 months from now, no freelancer, no new AI tool, no new assistant on the planet can catch up to your Hermes. And you can see the Hermes is already provisioned for us, and we can use it through a API, or we can use it through our Telegram, Slack, or Discord. So Hermes does not have a UI. It works via terminal. So let's hook it up with Telegram, and you can also give Hermes specific tools so it can use them for you. So right now we have resend, replicate, and upload posts. So Hermes can actually send emails or generate images or videos, or it can schedule post on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. So let's first integrate our Telegram. So let me just go ahead and do it. So now it's going to add our Telegram details to our Hermes instance, and it's done. So now let's click on messaging platform, and you can see the Telegram is connected now. Also, let's just give it email functionalities, and let's click on save and restart. Now our Hermes instance is going to have ability to send emails, and we can control it from Telegram. So the work keeps on going even though we are on the move, and it's all set up right now. So now let me take you to my Telegram and show you how it works. All right, so this is my Telegram here, and this is the bot that we configured with Hermes. So let's click on start here. And now let's give it a first task. So I'm going to say, remember this client profile. ABC Dental Clinic is a family dental practice in New York. Their tone is friendly, calm, and trustworthy. They want more implant and cosmetic dentistry leads. Their main offer is a free smile consultation. Their audience is working professionals aged 30 to 55. So let's just send that. And now the Hermes is going to process this for us. So as you can see, it's typing right now here. And so let's wait for its response. And now you can see that they have saved it. So let's go ahead and give it next message. So let's just say, based on what you remember about ABC Dental Clinic, create a one-page marketing plan and format it like a client-ready PDF outline. Also draft a short email I can send to client with this plan. So let's just send that, and let's wait for it. All right, you can see the plan is here. We can download it and view it. We can also give more information to our Hermes. We can just drag and drop images or videos or even the text files of your clients so that it can store all of that for you. Now you can see the plan is pretty good. So let's just ask it to send us an email with this. So I'm going to say, now draft a short email to me with this plan included and with the subject. So let's just send that. Now here it should actually find that we have resend already integrated. I have not asked it to use resend, but it should be able to find it, and then it should be able to send the email via resend. So now the email is sent here, as we can see. So let's go ahead and check it. So that's the marketing plan that we got here. And it has sent it from our verified domain as well. And one more use case I want to show you is that we can integrate upload post here. Let's go to upload post and get the API key. And I'm going to paste it here to our Hermes, and let's click on save and restart. So upload post is a API that lets us schedule and post on our social media. So I'm going to do that right now through Hermes. And it's restarted now. So let's go to our Telegram, and now it should have access to upload post. So we'll say, can you find and summarize latest AI news and make one post on my X account via upload post? Keep it short. And you can see it's done. It already posted on my account. So let's just go and check it. And this is the post that it has sent. And it did a pretty good job with it. And those are just 3 demos. Here's a fraction of what people are already doing with these bots. So Paperclip plans the operations, OpenClaw does the work, Hermes remembers and improves. Hundreds of business use cases, content production, client services, AI agencies, affiliate marketing, local marketing, digital products. Every one of these is something people are charging real money for right now. You can pick one, run with it, add the next when you're ready. And that's One Man Army. 3 of the most powerful AI agents on planet, one dashboard, deployed in minutes, running in parallel towards whatever business goal you give them. You give the direction, they do the heavy lifting, you review and approve. Agencies are charging clients $5,000 a month to set up this exact kind of system. With One Man Army, you can use it for yourself or sell it to your own clients with commercial rights included from day one. This is Rohit Shah signing off. Thank you for watching.
This is the bonus page. Make sure to purchase through our link. After your purchase, leave a comment on the YouTube video and we'll send you the desired bonuses instantly.